Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin filter on a Lexus IS250 second generation, so that's 2005 to 2012. Not a lot of people know how to do it, so someone was asking me, excuse the dirty car, let's get this cup out of the way. On this particular vehicle, it's kind of unique because you have to put the climate control on recirculation or you can have trouble getting the cabin filter out. So let's zoom in here a little bit and play with our climate control, and we can make sure that it is on recirculation. So there you go, quick zoom in. That's the button you have to push, recirc, and then we'll be able to take the cabin filter out. So let's pan over to the glove box and let's get inside this glove box and take it apart. You'll see there is a plastic, I don't know what you want to call it, doohickey thing, whatever, for holding books, papers, whatever. We can just pull that out. That's not a big deal, quite easy to take that out. Behind that is a door, and then we're going to remove the door by pulling upwards and out. So let's get in there and let's pull up and out. There we go. So now we're going to pull up and out, and we will be able to see the cabin filter behind it. So it's immediately exposed, so that's good. And there we have the cabin filter, and then now we can pull the whole tray out. So we're going to unclip it here. You can see there's those clips. There you go, 1, 2, 3. I just push them forward and I'm popping it up. So once we do that, we can pull the whole tray out. There you go. And now that the whole tray's out, all we do is we actually pull just the filter media out, and we change just the filter itself, and we reuse the plastic. So that's all there is to it. It's actually quite easy. Very short video. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Any questions, comments, and concerns, leave them down below. Thank you.